Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. This is a Midea dishwasher, and as you can see, it's no power. It says power is supposed to come on, but it's not coming on. And so today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem. I've taken it out under the cabinet where it usually is, because I'm going to show you how to fix the main problem. Okay, so here we go. This right here is your problem. As you can see, that little white tab is all the way back there. It's supposed to be down here, because what happens is that tab clicks here when you close the dishwasher like that. It's supposed to click, but as you can see, it's not clicking. It's supposed to hook up like this, and that's going to turn it on. So what we need to do is bring this back down so the power can come back. It controls a switch back there. All right, so what you do, you simply need one of these, used for paperwork. All right, and it's very simple. All we need to do is grab that tab in there, okay? And once we do, we're gonna pull it out. Okay, it's grabbed. As you can see, all I need to do is just pull this out, and I need to do a few times. It's kind of loose. Try again. It's hard to do with one hand. Did I get it? Nope. One more time. That time is the chunk. There we go. You see, the light is back on. As you can see, the tab is now down, and this is supposed to click there. All right, and that fixed the problem. Now we can turn it back on. As you can see, it's on. I like to put it on auto and extended drive. All right, so that's a temporary solution, because the problem is here. As you can see, this is loose. So what happens is every time you close and you unlock, since it's loose, that clip here is just left hanging. So what I just did with this is a temporary solution. Now I'm going to give you the permanent solution. So we need to fix this. It's kind of loose. All you take is a Phillips head screwdriver, and we just tighten that up. As you can see, it's not shaky anymore. And now it's fixed. Simple as that. And when I open, you see, it's still on. It's not stuck. It's still at the bottom. Close that again. Just like that, I fixed the problem. Now, all I need to do is put this back into the cabinet. Got my trusty Ryobi here, impact driver. Here are my 2 screws. And hope you learned something from that, guys. Thank you so much.